Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over color in Photoshop. We'll be talking about the Swatches panel and gradients. Swatches are just saved colors that you have in Photoshop. To open up the panel to see all of them, go up to Windows and then to Swatches. This will bring up the panel. At the top of this panel, you can search swatches if you know the name. You can search for generic colors like green, or any other color will work as well. Under the search bar is a list of most recently used colors. There are a bunch of different groups of color palettes. You can make more groups, but normally if you make a new swatch, it will add it down at the bottom. At the very bottom, we have 3 buttons: a folder, a plus sign in a box, and a trash can. If you click the folder, you can make a new group and name it whatever you want. To add the colors to that group, click and drag a color into the folder. The plus sign makes a new swatch on whatever color you are using already. You can name that color so that it can be easy to find. The trash can works like a trash can. You can select a swatch and then click the trash bin icon, or you can click and drag the swatch to the trash can. It works the same. To find new colors, you can use the eyedropper tool on images, or you can go to different color websites and make color palettes. A good website is color.adobe.com. You can just save the color from there. Next, we're going to go over the gradient tool. The gradient tool creates a gradual blend between colors. The color is the rectangle with the different shades right below the eraser tool. To use the tool, click and drag to create a line indicating the direction that your gradient will go. Then you release. It will apply your gradient. If you want to change it, you can go up to the top. You can change the color of your gradient. They have a couple different pre-existing options in different categories, but you can always create your own. In the drop-down menu, there is a little setting symbol. You want to click on that, and then you'll want to click on the new gradient preset. You can have your new one based on an already existing one, or you can start from scratch. To edit the colors, you just double-click on the little boxes attached below the gradient line. You can also add boxes just by clicking somewhere below the line. You can also move the boxes around to change the transition of the colors. Once you're done, you can click New, and it will add the new gradient with the others. There are also different types of gradients. You have the regular one, which just goes in a straight line. You also have the sphere one, which goes out in a circle. Then you also have this one, which goes around a focal point, but ends with a sharp end or a sharp line. Then you have this last one, which is a diamond. It just goes out in a diamond, kind of like the circle one, but a different shape. There are a couple other options at the top, but those aren't unique to gradients, so we won't be going over them. That's everything for color. Thanks for watching.